Hello everybody, what's up? The God of Muscle 5 here, and welcome back to Dust and Elysian Tail. We are picking up where we left off last time, so let's go ahead and go. Oh, have we talked to you yet? Oh. Oh yeah, we already talked to him. Who is you? Oh, yeah, I already talked to you as well. Okay. Hold on. There we go.
He's been pacing near the west entrance of the village, near the field where you rescued us. Thank you, Dust, for everything.
Okay. So yeah, Ginger isn't there. We already talked to her, so this is where we gotta head down. Oh, buddy, it's you, Reed.
We've been attacked. Has the box been opened?
Maniac.
That depends. Did your box have a lot of flying monsters inside it? How would I know? I've never opened the box. Never.
You sound like an insane version of Pandora.
Okay.
As soon as I say that, it starts raining. Up yours, Zeus! Okie dokie then. Whee! Oh, hello. Augustine, what are you doing here?
Well now, look at this. Seems our village has got itself a new basement.
You don't seem too concerned.
Trust me, not much happens here. So when things start crawling out of the ground, you pull up a chair and enjoy the show.
Okay, Augustine, but promise me that you'll stay here. I don't need anyone getting hurt.
Ah, let you have all the fun? Well, I guess you're the one with the sword after all.
Yeah. Let the guy with the weapon handle the problem. There we go.
End of the line. Looks like a pretty nasty drop.
Yes, very nasty. We should go around, I think.
There's no time to find another route. Those monsters came up through here. There's gotta be a path down below. Well, here goes nothing.
Jump! Oh, and there goes his ankles. And basically his femurs. Basically every bone that is below his waist.
Did you see something move up ahead? I saw something move.
Oh, I actually didn't notice.
Calm down. I thought you said you weren't afraid of the dark.
She's afraid of what's in the dark. I'm familiar with that fear.
I'm not afraid of the dark. I'm afraid of the things in the dark.
You're still a scaredy ninbat.
I don't see anything, Fidget.
How could you possibly see anything in here with that big hat over your eyes? These caves, our plane isn't meant to be underground. We should be soaring high in the wide open sky.
I thought you were afraid of heights.
Oh, hush.
Ha! Okay. Ah, there we go. I just had to remember the controls there for a second. Oh, chapter 2. Darkness. Spooky. Ooh, what in the holy heck? Oh boy. It's more of those guys. It looks like rejected pets of Cthulhu. Whoop. Oh, are you serious? It didn't even tell me that the battery was low. Okay. Resume the game. There we go. Gotcha. Okay. No big deal. With these enemies, it's never a big deal.
It's getting really hard to see. I'm starting to regret coming down here.
What other choice did you have, Dust?
I was rewriting it minutes ago.
See? Fidget has an extra 7th sense. She knows when to regret something way ahead of regretting it. Yeah, no one's got time for my eyes.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful sight.
Beautiful. Do you think the villagers know about this place?
Oh, that is freaky.
Our search has not been in vain. Let's clear this area.
I'll just take all that from you. We got a boo mushroom. They really make these battles way too easy. Okay, why the heck am I falling down here? All of a sudden, my jumping perception sucks. How the heck am I supposed to... Oh. Jump up here, of course, and that guy completely missed his attack. You know, you all had one job, not fail at what you do. What did you do? Fail at what you did. Boom. Pretzels! Nothing like going to the local bakery. I'm one slice man. Whee! Whoops. We require explosives. Whoop. Huh. Crap. Oh, there we go. But I'm not after no chains. There. Ha. crap. We'll have to go that way another way. Wait, what? English has committed die. Boom. Go there. Mysterious wall chicken. Seriously, who gets a chicken in that type of wall?
Dust, wait. This creature is too well defended for a straightforward assault.
We'll see about that. Okay, that was a bad idea.
It is practically invulnerable unless you stun it with a parry, like so.
There we go.
He went down.
Dust, would you like a refresher on parrying? Very well. Be careful.
Actually forgot how to do it. Ah. Oh, now I know. Hey, there we go. No problem. Spicy. Hey, who are you, little dude? Oh, he's apparently scared of us. Yeah.
Oh, what was that?
I'm not sure, but it sure did run off in a hurry.
No time for treasure fidget. There we go. Oh, this. Fiery. I have no idea how the heck it got up there. Well, there we go. I got some cinnamon buns. How the heck? What exactly happened? What happened? Never mind, I found where the enemies are at. I have no idea where the heck. Over this way? There's more enemies, so yeah. No, I guess not. Back down here. Okay, let's keep moving. Been poisoned.
You've been poisoned.
When you're poisoned, your life slowly drains down to nothing. If you don't take care of it soon, death is inevitable.
I can probably just wait it out.
Stop pretending you're so tough. Here, take this mushroom. It'll stop the poison for now. You can thank me later.
That's how you get rid of an enemy. Now, what kind of fighting style would you call that? I don't even know. Oh.
Wait!
Oh, he dropped a mushroom.
Let's follow him.
Holy crap. Yeah, okay. Anyways. Fresh items for sale. Get them while they last. Getting higher up now. Okay. Give me that. Level up. Okay. I swear, if the kid literally keeps going through here, the guy's got some real good parkour skills. There we go. Okay, I don't know what the heck that was. We got mushrooms. Okay, let's go. There we go. Ta-da! Okay. I have to go this way, I figure. Up, up, and away! Whoop. Okay, that was on me. That was a dum-dum move. There he is again.
No! Go away!
You're
dropping more stuff, dude.
There he goes.
Forget him! Take a look around! There's something horribly wrong with these mushrooms.
These aren't mushrooms, Fidget. They are called bubble sprouts, and it would be wise for us to tread lightly around them. They react rather explosively to movement.
Wonderful.
Some of them can be bad like that, or some of them could be good. Good ones are usually blue. Like that. Ah, there we go. That's the good stuff. Stuff. Look, I forgot how to speak English, okay? Oh, I kind of don't know where to go now. Down? Is that our only option? Go down? Oh boy. We're going deep underground now.
There he is! Look, he's in trouble!
Uh-oh. Well, we know what to do.
Leave me alone!
Picking little ones, huh? You will most definitely regret meeting me.
Keep wary of the bubble sprouts, Dust, or this battle will be over before it begins.
There we go. Uh-oh.
And there he goes again. You're welcome, kid.
Come now, Dust. He's obviously terrified. Let's go find him and maybe get out of this raining day.
I like how no one points out that there's ones that can heal you as well. Oh, hello. Village. Mud pot.
I didn't think those monsters were smart enough to build a fence.
I'm certain they didn't. Let's hop on over.
Sheep.
There he is!
Your father's done gonna have himself a heart attack after he hears about this.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Goodness, what would I do if you'd gotten yourself hurt?
Ah! Mama, look! Those things must have followed me!
How'd they jump my fence? Crafty vermin, those surface dwellers.
She does see that I can fly, right?
I'll be sure to tell her, Fidget. I'm sure that'll clear things right up.
Back, you beast! I got this here spoon and I ain't afraid to use it!
We aren't here for trouble, ma'am. In fact, we just saved your son.
Huh? What are they talking about, Popo?
Well, they have been following me for a while.
What? How far out did you go? I may just save the spoon for you.
I'm sorry. We just came down from the surface to...
Do I look like some country bumpkin to you? Of course you're from the surface. I think I'd remember seeing a talking, flying weasel cat thing down here.
I think we got off on the wrong foot here. My name is Dust, and this is Fidget. Some creatures attacked a village above these caves, and we're trying to figure out why.
Attack the surface village, you say? Well, if that don't beat all. We underground folk tend to keep to ourselves. Got enough problems of our own already.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Actually, what I'm saying is, we got enough problems of our own without you surface folk bringing all that nonsense down here. So, if you don't mind...
Come on, Dust. We're obviously not wanted here. Wait!
That's enough, Popo! You ought to get back to your chores before I take out the spoon again!
Mama, I've seen them fight. They even thought themselves a talking sword. I bet they could help.
Young man, I don't care if their sword spouts rainbows and bowls of delicious baked beans. I don't want their help.
Stop saying that! Pa's gonna die if we don't do something.
Die? What's going on?
Well, our have gone and run dry. And my pa's done gotten real sick. That's why I went out to find some more of that water.
I hate saying it, but it's true. See these mud pots lying around? Normally they're bubbling to the brim with mineral water, but just a few weeks ago, they dried up to nothing. But that still don't excuse you from putting yourself in danger like that. I may not be able to help your father, but I sure as heck ain't gonna lose you too.
Mama.
I wonder if those monster attacks on the surface could be related to your wells drying up.
I wouldn't be at all surprised. It's been a couple weeks since the water dried up, but every creature here is feeling the effects. I'll bet those creatures broke through to the surface looking for more water.
Mama, maybe these two can go talk to the lady.
The lady?
Oh, she's a sweet old soul. Lives deep in the caves, makes the water flow. She doesn't show herself around here too often, and we can't actually go see her on account of all the nasties living between here and there.
In that case, I'll go speak with this lady and see why she stops the flow of water.
You do that?
This can't all just be a coincidence. The attacks on the surface, your wells drying up. I'm certain this lady must know something about what's going on.
Well then, I had you folks pegged all wrong. If you aim to help my husband, I promise not to clock you with my wooden spoon of justice.
Thanks?
So, you're heading down to talk to the lady now? You'll help my pa?
We'll do our best, Bopo. Just don't go running off again.
You got my word.
Okay, let's go then.
Oh, it's a pretty kitty cat. What, me? It's a flying cat!
She's not a cat, little girl. She's a... I don't even know what she is.
I'm not a cat, you dolt. I'm a nimbat.
Is that what you're called? A nimbat?
Yes, hello. My name's Fidget. Maybe we've met. Can I hold it? I want it. Just do something. It's trying to grab me with its little child hands.
Don't worry, Fidget. Sorry, what's your name?
Moa.
Well, Smobop, I'm sorry, but as much as she might look like one, Fidget is not a toy.
Hey. Ooh, I want her. She talks. I'll trade you. Look, I've got this box thing. Hey, Dust, look. That must be Reed's box.
Tell you what, next time I go to the surface, I'll see if I can find a suitable replacement. Then we'll trade.
Great, we got the box for the maniac.
That shop in Aurora had some things. Maybe the shopkeeper could figure something out for us?
Yeah, maybe he can make us some kind of fidget doll for her. After all, she's far too young to take care of a pet like you.
Yeah, way too much responsibility for... Hey!
Oh,
Well, hi there, big fella. Am I hearing the local gossip right? You and your flying mongoose are gonna see
mongoose.
What the heck is a mongoose?
Quiet, Fidget. And yes, you've heard correctly. Is this the way to the ladies' chamber?
Well, yeah, but I don't think you're gonna fit through this here hole in the wall. We had to close up the passage recently to keep those crazed nematodes from coming out and attacking the village.
What the heck is a nematode?
Anyway, seems to me the only way you're getting through is by sliding. I'd kick you through myself, but you know, I got these fat little legs and they hardly keep me vertical.
I appreciate the thought, but I'll find another way around.
Here, boy, take this red resonance gem.
Resonance
It'll
gem?
open up the basement, and maybe you'll find a better way down there. Just make sure to avoid impaling yourself on them spiky rocks and thorns.
Oh boy.
Wait, your underground cave has a basement? How does that make any sense?
Hey, big fella, what do you say to me serving your flying rat a big old jug of shut-up juice? While you're down there, why don't you make yourself useful and collect me my hitting stick?
Your what?
You see, I use this here stick to do my hitting, but I lost her in the basement, and I'm honestly just too darn lazy like to go looking for it on my own. They don't have me standing around here for my good looks after all. Someone's got to defend this here hole.
All right, Blob. If I should come across your hitting stick, I'll be sure to pick it up.
Okie dokie, let's find the doorway. Oh, here we go. Hey, Fidget, when it comes to those doors, you gotta be a little quick, otherwise you'll probably get squished. We don't want a squished Fidget. We want an alive Fidget. Wait a minute.
So, you have slain the one known as Fuse.
Yeah.
I had no choice. He'd lost his mind, murdered many innocents. I am not judging, friend. His death was sad, necessary. Forgive me for asking, but are you a Moonblood? The Moonbloods. They are an ancient race, and their presence is not tolerated in these lands. One would be at a disadvantage among so many warm-blooded creatures. I understand. I believe you do not, my friend. But I will not press the matter if you do not.
Treasure key. Can we take that off you there? Thank you. We'll also take one of these from you. Are you kidding me? A filthy ring that serves no purpose. Teleport stone. Revival stone. Glue. Okay, you just randomly have glue. I haven't found a use for the glue yet, I don't think. Anyways, I gotta figure out how to equip this stuff. Anyways, we got our setup there. Okay, so yeah, the spikes are starting to appear. Oh boy. Ugh. No big deal here. Sheep? Ow. Sheep, sheep.
Wait, did you just...
Yeah, we just put it in the inventory.
Did you just put that thing in your inventory?
Yeah? What?
Okay then.
We're bringing this thing along, just in case. Never mind, it blew up. Ow. Of course, I got the professional job of... I said job of having to jump over everything. Ow! Yes. Oh, yeah, sweet relief. We don't got time for treasure. Not right now, at least. Okay, Fidget. Why are you treasure addicted? Fidget has a treasure addiction. Whoop. Whee. Okay. Okay, let's keep moving here. Are you serious? So where exactly here do we have to go? Where exactly here do we have to go? Oh, here? Ooh, hello. So now we just literally got to go all the way back up. Oh boy. Okay, we're back up the mud pot. There we go. Brrr, raining fire! There we go. Okay, we're gonna need that. Ah! Oh boy. Having to do with a lot of rock slides. Anyways. Getting pretty far down here. Okay, it's actually getting pretty dark. Ow. Ow. Dude. For real though, bro. I do not know right now. I cannot see. Oh, it's this way. There we go. This is a beautiful looking area, not gonna lie. Oh boy. Did they just end up attacking each other? Awesome! This place looks wonderful. Ow. Hey, there we go. We're on a roll. Ow. There. Oh boy. Hello there.
Who are you?
I am Dust, and this is Fidget. We came from Mudpot seeking the one we call the Lady. Their springs have dried up, and I'm here to find out why.
You would dare enter my domain and question me? Yes, the waters have stopped flowing. I was the one to stop it.
Be careful, Dust. I do not believe she's used to being spoken to so casually.
I meant no disrespect.
I am Lady Tempest, and you will refer to me as such, with the courtesy reserved for all powerful beings of the realm.
Okay, Dust, maybe you should dial it back a bit. She's getting pretty too far.
Lady Tethys, the Mudpots need your help. One of them is already close to death, but your healing waters could save his life.
You, a Silverstone, would dare to question my actions? Who do you think you are, ordering me to release the waters of life?
Question the motives of any creature, deity or not, that would let their subjects perish without reason.
I have felt the endless conflict as my waters ebb and flow through your land, Silverstone. I see this water satisfying the thirst of a creature much like yourself. A killer with a broken soul.
A creature like me? You mean...
He leads a great army across these lands, spilling innocent blood and using my waters to give life to his campaign of hatred. I stopped the water so I could stop the violence.
But you are punishing innocents and guilty alike. Your own followers in Mudpot will die without that water.
If their deaths are required to save this world, that is a sacrifice I am willing to make. You speak in petty terms. A person, a family, a village. Their deaths, same as yours, are insignificant to the greater good.
I sense a terrible danger, Dust. Prepare yourself.
Okie dokie then.
I have seen where your path ends, Lady Tethys, and I will not let you succumb to the same fate. Too many innocents have died already thanks to Gaius' campaign.
So be it, Surface Dweller. If you would raise your sword against me, then prepare to have your accursed soul ripped from your body and purged in these holy waters!
Come on. There we go.
What have you done?
Knock some sense into you, I hope.
I can feel the darkness slipping on her soul dust. We have done it. She is now safe.
The darkness?
All right, Lady Tempest. What is this darkness Anna speaks of?
I saw what the gentleman was doing. I could feel the souls of all the innocents he killed scream out for help. And I succumbed to that darkness. That desire for justice, no matter the cost.
Justice must be tempered with mercy, Lady Tempest. Otherwise, it is nothing more than revenge.
I must apologize, Dust. I see now that you wield one of the blades of Elysian. Had I noticed before, I would have treated you with no respect.
Blades of Elysian? I will explain later. We have other more pressing matters at hand. I know you feel like you were doing the right thing by holding back the waters, but what God needs them now more than ever?
Oh, the waters, yes! I only hope it's not too late.
Indeed, though the ruins were open, I fear it is difficult to stop general practice of his campaign on the surface.
Already I can feel his army's footsteps. They travel north, into the mountains.
Then we go hurry. Ginger was on her way there too.
Before we go, perhaps I can repay you for freeing me of my madness. At the base of the northern mountains, there is a grand estate. The baron of these lands is a man named Cain.
So we have to look for Cain.
He knew the general, and if you help, he will be willing to assist you in your quest to end Gaius' campaign.
We must hurry back.
Apologies, Lady Tempest, but we must make haste. There is a villager in Mudpot who is very close to death.
Feel it now. His life force is very weak. How can I let this happen? What have I done?
With no time to waste, is there a shortcut back to Mudpot?
Yes, of course. Right through here. Though I fear you may already be too late.
We'll get there in time. Just you wait and see.
I hope so, Fidget. Goodbye, Lady Tempest.
Goodbye, Dust, and good luck.
There we go. Hehe. Teleporter. Bring. Okay, let's keep going. There we go.
Hey, look. Sunlight. Fancy that.
A final plotting trick of Lady Tempest, it would seem. That'll help when we need to return to the surface. But right now, we should find Bopo. Lady Tempest seems convinced we would arrive too late.
We'll get there in time. We have to. We did everything we were supposed to.
You have much to learn about the world, Fidget. Sometimes even your best is not enough to avert fate. Come, let us make haste to the village.
Oh, this is a different area. Hey, here we go.
Dust, look! The water's running! Get to it!
We came back as soon as we could. Where's your mother?
She's inside with Pa. Once the water started flowing again, she brought it right in for him. Oh, look, here she comes now. Mama, look, they're here. I told you I'd get the water running again.
Bopo, darling, please come inside.
Mama? What is it, Mama?
Keith held on as long as it could, but it just wasn't enough.
Pa? Pa, no! You can't go! Just got the water running, it did!
I'm sorry. sorry, sweetheart. I truly am. He was such a fighter. It was just his time. And when it comes, there ain't nothing you can do.
But we got the water running.
We failed, Fidget. We weren't fast enough. Damn it! We weren't fast enough!
Dust, you stop that moaning right this instant. You did what you could. You did more than anyone. And for that, you deserve all our thanks. You could have gotten the water running days ago. But I think the hurt was just too hard on him.
Ha! Did you hear? I got the water running. Ha! Ah!
Master, let's give them a moment alone.
Tis sad.
I don't understand. We got the water running. We did everything we were supposed to.
Fidget, it's like what Bobo's mother said. When the life thread calls for you, you must go. He was fated to pass, and there is nothing we could have done to stop it. That doesn't excuse this, Aura. Did you know? Did you know we'd be too late? If I told you before, would you still have tried to save him? The village needed its water supply. I would have gone to the lady either way. And it doesn't matter what I know. And it is why there is hope for you yet, Dust. What does that mean? Why is it that every time I make a decision, you treat it like some kind of test? What haven't you told me, Yara? This is not the time or the place. And just what is the perfect time and place? How many more have to die before you tell me who I am? Who am I, Ara? What am I even doing here?
Stop yelling! Just please stop. I can't take this right now. We did the best we could, Dust. We did the best we could.
I'm sorry, Fidget. I didn't mean to.
And stop worrying about who you are. You're Dust. You hear me? I don't care who you were. I don't even care if you used to work for that general guy. Because you're Dust now.
Wise words, Fidget. Dust, your past is fractured, and your future is not yet written. But you have traveled through this world as a beacon of good, and that is all that matters. You're both right. I'm worrying so much about who I was that I've been blind to the good I've done as Dust. Anyway, it's late. We should find a place to sleep. A wise choice. A night's rest will clear your head.
Well, guys, I think that's just about it for this. Oh.
And with these final words, we commit Popok's essence to the life thread.
Well, you guys already know we're kind of running low on time. I only got like about 40 seconds of recording time left.
We'll be seeing you, old friend.
Goodbye, my love.
Goodbye, Pop. I'll miss you.
Bobo.
Thank you, Dust. Without you, we wouldn't have any water. You saved Mud Pot.
I only wish I could have done more.
Nah, you did plenty. You showed me what it means to be strong, even when the world's against you. Pa's gone now, so I gotta be strong for Mama. Strong like you.
You're a good kid, Bobo. I think your father would be proud.
I think so.
So anyways, I deleted just enough to keep this on going.
I'm sorry, Bobo, but I have to go now. I have to get back to the surface to make sure this doesn't happen ever again.
You'll come back though, right? You gotta make sure you come back.
I can't.
Oh.
I promise.
So anyways, guys, yeah, we're going to go ahead and leave it there. Do also hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and also click the notification bell. Yeah, I already said this, didn't I? Yeah, you all get it. I gotta find an area to save, and then that'll be the end of the video. Oh.
I think so, yes. We need to get back to the surface and find that manor Lady Tethys mentioned.
Yes, I know of the place she spoke of. An old estate at the foot of the mountains called the Sorrowing Meadow.
The Sorrowing Meadow? Is that somewhere between Blood Death Gulch and Endless Pain Hill?
It was not always called that, Bridget. It was once a peaceful place. But even now, as we stand so far away from it, I can feel something nefarious emanating from its foundations.
Well, that's great. Really, I'm excited. How about you, Dust? You would...
I'm just thrilled, Fidget. Come on, let's get back to the
Okay, I kind of went through that one a little bit early.